Okay, so I wanted to do this video for our vision spray, right? You guys already know that we do spray supplements, and I wanted to do one on the vision spray simply because I have a friend who stopped wearing glasses. That's it, right? So my friend Rosette, she was wearing glasses. She had to wear glasses because she couldn't see letters and numbers before, so she had to get glasses so she could see. Her and I have this joke. I can see clearly now. Anyway, so she could see. And she got this vision spray last year. I think it was like in the middle of June, ending of June, somewhere around there. Because at the ending of September, beginning of October, she started to see letters and numbers without her glasses. She's using this vision spray. 8 sprays under the tongue. Hold for 5 seconds and then swallow. Right? Now, she doesn't wear her glasses at all. She can totally see without her glasses, numbers and letters very clearly. So much that she's forgetting the glasses all over the place because she doesn't need it anymore, right? And that's a fact. That's somebody that I personally know, my good friend, Rosette. If you guys go on my page, you'll see her and I all over the place. Right, that's Rosette. Doesn't wear her glasses anymore. She can see letters and numbers. She's been using this vision spray consistently every single day. Please don't spray it in your eyes. 8 sprays under the tongue. Raise up your tongue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 5 seconds. Swallow. And you got your daily dose of this. This has in lutein. That's the main ingredient. 80% lutein. It gets rid of inflammation out of your eyes, giving your eyes a chance to repair. And that's simple, ladies and gentlemen. You need this vision spray.